For the right vehicle, check out the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, cold weather package, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.